For entering item name, click on to master and select product items. Click add for adding the item name. Click edit for editing the item name and update. For entering item group, click on to master and select item group. Click add for adding the item group. Click edit for editing the item group and update. For entering item subgroup, click on to master and select item subgroup. Click add for adding the subgroup. Click edit for editing the subgroup and update. For entering supplier, click on to master and select supplier. Click add for adding the supplier. Click edit for editing the supplier and update. For entering unit, click on to master and select unit. Click add for adding the unit. Click edit for editing the unit and update. For entering department, click on to master and select department. Click add for adding the department. Click edit for editing the department and update. For entering PO type, click on to master and select PO type. Click add for adding the PO type. Click edit for editing the PO type and update. For making approval settings, click on to master and select approval settings. Click add for adding the approval settings. Click edit for editing approval settings and update. For entering approved supplier item, click on to master and select approved supplier items. Enter the approved supplier item and update. For entering tax type, click on to master and select tax type. Click on to add for adding the tax type. Click on to edit for editing the tax type and update. For making tax setup, click on to master and select tax setup. Click add for adding the tax setup. Click edit for editing the tax setup and update. For making purchase requisition template, click on to master and select purchase requisition template. Add or edit the template and update. The overall specifications of Purchase Management Master has been depicted successfully. Thank you.